Well, it's cleared out behind me, but it is still very busy inside of the IKEA store here at Norfolk. The parking lot opened at 5 o'clock this morning, and ever since then, we've seen a steady stream of cars making their way into the parking lot, with shoppers making their way into the brand new IKEA for the grand opening. Now, the doors officially opened at 9 o'clock, and by the time the doors opened, there was more than 1,000 people waiting in line to get inside the store for their first look. Now, we're going to take you inside the store. If you take a look at this video, you can see what it was like when shoppers first made their way into the brand new store. Now, because the line went all the way around the building, we're told that no one actually had to wait to get into the store because of the size of it. The capacity wasn't even hit. So even though there was a lot of people, everyone was able to walk inside, and they were greeted with cheers and applause from IKEA employees. The first person to walk into the store this morning got in line right at 5 a.m. and she tells us that she came prepared to do some shopping.
We're going to be moving in a couple of months, and I have a wish list of some things that I'm going to be picking up today, and I just want to enjoy the experience and get some Swedish meatballs.
She wasn't the only one with food on her mind. Many shoppers made the restaurant their first stop as soon as they got in. And according to the store manager, most shoppers spend on average between 3 and 4 hours at an IKEA store. Now, in order to help those shoppers make their way through their lengthy visit, there are plenty of employees here on hand. Hundreds were hired right locally here in Hampton Roads, and we're told that throughout the year, even more people are going to be hired, especially during the upcoming holiday season. Live in Norfolk, I'm Allison Mechanic, News 3.